Welcome to Spatial Conversations. My guest today is Tyler from our partner webAI, and we're going to dive into all things AI, spatial, and otherwise. Welcome, Tyler. Retaining control of your hardware and your data and those kind of things. How do you see kind of the Apple intelligence creeping into the world, and is there any crossover between that and some of the things that you guys are envisioning for the future?
Yeah, absolutely. So Apple Intelligence is actually, I would say, one of the pioneers in this space. And when you look at how a lot of the other companies are approaching tech, it's predominantly from a cloud perspective. And so what Apple was able to do by localizing that competency reduces a lot of the risks associated with sharing personal data, being able to ask it questions that you may not be comfortable being exposed to something that you don't control. And I'm a huge fan of what they did for the private cloud. I think that was one of the coolest ways to be able to get the compute necessary when you need it, while being able to retain control. The crossover, I would say, kind of separates when it comes to the type of models that you want to be able to create and how you want to be able to control that solution. And so where Apple Intelligence really excels is in the personal dynamic, and it helps with general problems that you run into. But one of the areas that we try to work on is being able to make sure that the customer is able to create and control everything from the data it has access to the hardware it runs on, who has access to that thing. And so it's not something that we provide to our customers. It's ultimately something that the enterprise adopts, and then they foster and they share that internally. And so we're out of the picture, and then the company is able to run it.